Hello friends, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch full video and share my video with your friends and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we going to start the video. In this tutorial we discuss that today's new topic is the digital display in web and designs project, social media, digital marketing. Number first, web and designs for the digital display in a web, designs the social media, designs for the digital display in a social media projects, graphics, ads, social media projects, the digital marketing, designs for the digital marketing display in a digital marketing projects, and email compares. I hope you will like the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.